Masks. They're our new normal. They're a part of our daily life. And with decoration products like FlexSoft, they're quickly becoming 2020's hottest fashion. But personalized reusable cloth masks need proper maintenance to protect against germs like COVID-19. So how do you keep yourself safe while still looking your freshest? The CDC recommends that you wash your masks after every use. Just throw it in a washer with the rest of your clothes and turn it to the highest setting. Then, once it's done, pop it in the dryer on the highest setting possible. Let it completely dry before putting it on your face again. Germs can transmit better over wet surfaces. But there's a problem. We like to decorate our masks, and all that heat and water can destroy many products, leaving your beautiful personality dull and cracked. That's where FlexSoft comes in. After 20 plus washes, FlexSoft's metallic colors look just as bright as the day you applied them. Let's be honest, there's no one like you, and wearing a mask all the time might make you feel like that individuality is lost. But with FlexSoft, there's a way to safely showcase, well, you. Unlike vinyl, FlexSoft allows for intricate designs. And where vinyl leaves a heavy piece of plastic stuck on your face, FlexSoft can be rasterized, meaning it's soft, comfortable, and more importantly, it's breathable. It can be scary returning to work, but FlexSoft and decorated masks are a booster shot of morale, making sure that you not only arrive your safest, but also your most comfortable. FlexSoft. Let's get America safely back to work and keep what makes you, you.
Josh here, and I would just like to give a big thank you to our friends Nathaniel and David at AW Specialty Papers for making this video for us. If you'd like more information on the Forever FlexSoft papers, be sure to check out this video linked here on the screen. Thanks again for watching and have yourself a great day.